All right, we have a Lowrance HDS12 live. This one came all the way from Japan. It's going to be a backlight job. We already checked backlight is dead, doesn't work. So we're going to go ahead and take this unit apart and see what's going on. All right, let's give this a test in 3, 2. Haha, there we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. Backlight's fixed. We're going to go ahead and epoxy the sides of that connector down just to make sure it doesn't move in the future. Perfect. We're going to get this tested, shipped back to Japan for the gentleman. It's a repeat customer, good customer. He sent us another unit previous to this. And there we go, guys. Anybody has any fish finders, Lowrance, Garmin, Humminbird, or any electronic devices, go to our website, www.rudolphrepairs.com. You can email us, rudolphrepairs@gmail.com. If you'd like, you can give us a call, 1-800-517-9101, and we'll see you guys in the next one.